Tiger Woods' ex Lindsey Vonn made appearance. Formula One stars were joined by their Wags and Brad Pitt on the red carpet for the premiere of F1, the movie. The blockbuster film hit cinemas in the UK on June 25th, next Wednesday. Brad Pitt and Lewis Hamilton stole the show at the F1, the movie premiere. Christian and Geri Horner got a photo with Pitt. The F1 drivers went to the top of the Rockefeller Center. Nico Hulkenberg posed alongside wife Lindsey Vonn, opted for a bold brown leather outfit, and the great and the good of the F1 and Hollywood worlds descended on Times Square in New York on Monday night for the world premiere. The drivers were in Montreal over the weekend for the Canadian Grand Prix, won by George Russell. They then hot-footed it down to New York for the glitzy event. The likes of Russell, co-producer Lewis Hamilton, and Charles Leclerc all looked sharp while suited and booted, the Monegasque holding hands with partner Alexander St. Mou. Nico Hulkenberg was joined by glamorous wife Egil, while Pierre Gasly and girlfriend Francisca Cerqueira Gomez soaked up the paparazzi together, as did Flavie Barla and Esteban Ocon. Alex Albon and Lily Muni, he and Liam Lawson and Hannah St. John. Red Bull boss Christian Horner walked along the paddock with Spice Girl wife Geri Horner, and they even posed for photos with F1, the movie's main man Pitt. Pitt was also snapped alongside real F1 icon Hamilton and actor F1 star Damson Idris, who plays Joshua Pierce in the movie, the likes of Jensen Button and Brittany Ward. Toto Wolff and Carrie Condon and Lindsey Vonn also attended. Speaking at the event, Carlos Sainz said, "There is something for everyone, for sure. I'll just say for the pure F1 fans, be open-minded to Hollywood."